Good morning, everyone. Today, I will walk you through the key features of AutoRAG, an intelligent RAG platform designed to improve answer quality, reduce hallucinations, and automate the complete AI pipeline. The goal of AutoRAG is to make AI system more reliable, scalable, production ready with minimal effort. Look like the major features. First one, the feature overview. So, what AutoRAG delivers to the stakeholders and CEOs, CDOs, and directors and engineering team. The autonomous AI agents and quality scorecard and safety default and zero cloud lock-in and auto scaling is with ECS service. AWS, it is one of the AWS service. Advanced retrieval and smart checking and closed loop improvement. So again, how much auto deployment threshold and hallucination free guarantee. Again, the production SLA less than 3 seconds. Error rate target 0.1 production reliability. The AutoRAG automatically improves the RAG system without much manual work. It checks answer quality, reduces hallucinations, and improves the document size. It can deploy anywhere without cloud dependency and continuously improve itself. Second one, so autonomous 9 agents. It's a self-improving RAG with zero manual tuning. Each agent has single responsibilities. Here we are using 9 agents actually, so each agent has its own responsibility. It's not dependent upon each other. AutoRAG has 9 smart agents, and each does it with a specific task. Some of agents load documents, some improve sets, and some change qualities, some deploy changes. Like this, we have 9 agents. This reduces the manual efforts and speed up the deployment from weeks to days. Another one is a three-layer evolution engine. No single metric tell whole story. Three independent layers prevent blind spots. Layer one about the score, the deployment gate, the balance quality, the cost greater than 0.85 auto deployment and all. It will be if the 0.81 right 85 right it auto deployment. If the score is 0.784, it improve, and less than 0.7 again it will block. Again RAGAS, uh, high contents recall but low faithfulness LLM hallucinating despite of good. Again layer 3 advanced Q&A hallucinate firewalls, 10 unusable questions per run. So if any facilitator answer instant hard block and never deploy a model that lies. In this three-layer, system checks three ways before deployment. It measures answer quality, checks if the retrieved data is correct, tests and test hallucinates. If the AI gives a fake answers, deployment blocked automatically. Uh, Another one is thinking mechanism. So we are using advanced checking strategies. So one side does not fit all right. So auto select optimal checking strategies for document. Here we are using semantic checking and hierarchical checking and late checking. Like that we are using. Documents are split into small pieces smartly based on document. This is called checking actually. A simple document uses semantic checking, and long documents use hierarchical checking, and legal documents are late checking. It improves the search accuracy and avoid the missing important information. Again, we are using four method retrieval stack. So query rewriter and dense hybrid re-ranking and context compressor. So each layer adds the precision. So AutoRAG uses multiple search methods to find the better answers. It writes the queries, search the document, re-ranks results, comprehends constant. This improves the retrieval quality and gives the more accurate responses. Again, why we have chosen LangGraph, right? The LangGraph explicit condition edge and visual DAG we have. Uh, Explicit DAG is there, and the checkpointing and streaming is there. This is the reason we have chosen. So LangChain helps to manage the full workflow step by step. If the process fails, right, it restart from where it stopped instead of starting again. If we started from again, right, again the resources will be used and the cost will increase, right? So we are not doing. So for that we are using LangChain. It also helps to track the progress and making debugging easier. Again, as I told earlier, right? So ECS we are using from AWS. Fargate deployment. So what is the ECS features? So zero server management and 2 to 3 weeks of saved with the Kubernetes. If you compare, right, and 2 to 3 weeks we can say with the same container portable to Kubernetes as well. AutoRAG deployed using ECS practically, and so never managed is needed. Server management is needed, and AWS handles the infrastructure automatically. This saves step by step, makes the deployment faster and easier. So again, whenever we develop any project, right, so the safety and governance is important, right? So for that, what we are doing is here for this product, hallucination prevention, mandatory gates, and immutable audit trials and safety by default. This system heavily focus on preventing hallucinations before deploying. It tells tricky questions to ensure AI doesn't make fake answers. Every action log for tracking and compliance purpose. Again, at the end, cost, how much cost we are reading using cost optimization and ROI. So as per the quality per dollar is a metric that we are considering. Each pin, whatever we spend, the client, right, it will matter to him and everyone, right. For that we are optimizing both simultaneously. So AutoRAG reduce the engineering efforts and save the cost, and instead of manual tuning and for weeks, it improved automatically in a few days. Better quality means fewer wrong answers and high user trust. Again, monitoring, we are using Node.js for real-time monitoring. So we are using 20 screen UI and with 20 real-time scorecards and cost tracking and operational alerts. So the scorecard will be there, you can see, and the cost versus quality, we can see in dashboard, and operational alerts, whenever failing, right, failure alerts will be there. Uh, Again, pipeline registry and configurator and responsive faster. So with the dashboard, this dashboard, quality score and cost and alerts in real time, and teams can monitor the pipeline performance, quickly detect the issue, and it can support rollback if any something goes wrong. Again, resilience auto recovery. If service fall, automatically switches. So this is called fallback mechanism. Every failure has a recovery path and a production grade reliability, exponential backup, and circuit breaker, and LLM favor chains, embedding favors, and re-ranking fallback mechanism, pipeline fallback mechanism. If the one of the services fail, right, AutoGameback automatically switches to backup services. It retrieve the failed operations and recover without downtime. This make the system reliable and production users. Again, last feature, the feature roadmap for extendable. So when we are going to deploy all the things, and where we are now and where it will be, so what product once we develop it, so for that, what are we saying, future versions will support memory and multiple AI models, enterprise security. It will also support multi-tenant SaaS product, and compliance features. That plugin architecture allows adding a new features easily in the future. To summarize, AutoRAG, it is not just a RAG system, it's self-implementing AI platform. It combines AutoRAG, autonomous agents, smart retrieval, safety checks, auto recovery, and real-time monitoring to deliver accurate and reliable AI response. Overall, it helps organizations to build a scalable and secure and high-quality AI solutions faster with less manual efforts. Yeah, this is about auto.